All right, y'all. This one is number 3 of my new technologies that are going to make my life and your life better. So this one is Remind.com. I think I just came across that in a Google search of educational technologies or what have you, something general, but I had never seen this before, and it really intrigued me because I'm going to refer to my presentation. One thing that I really think I struggle with the most, probably as a teacher, is communication with parents. I think I mentioned in my last video, I was whining a little bit about how busy I am and bordering on overwhelmed at times. And so that's just one of the things that ends up on the cutting room floor is really having good communication with parents, unfortunately, because it's really important. And I've just set a goal to really improve that in the future. But this Remind.com site, I think, can really help me with that. It's my goals and objectives with that are to make parent communication more intuitive. If you have to think about, okay, I'm going to write an email to this parent, find the email address, all those things, it just gets to be a little bit tedious. And so I think if it's more intuitive, I'm more likely to do it more often. And also to find ways to facilitate communication with parents. I mentioned earlier that that's something that I really want to do better. So let me get to the site. It is right here, and I was going to start at the beginning. So let me just go to Remind.com so I can kind of hopefully start at the start. And it's not going to let me do that because I've already logged in. But okay, we're here. It's pretty easy to get to. You just choose, again, that you're a teacher. You import your school. Mine's right here, Salina Central High School. And so there are several things you can do here. The main one being that if you can upload your Google Classroom again, so you can I have 21st Century Journalism here. You can add family members. You can add more people up here if you like, and if you want to message them, you click right here and take care of that down here. Up here you can also share files with your class right there. Makes it very easy. You can share messages here, send a message, click, and there's your class. There's your people. These are actually people from my high school, staff members, so you can message them as well. Click on the school. You have to request access from the school. I haven't done that yet, but again, you can send messages to colleagues. You can send messages to your classes. You can send messages to parents. Parents being the best application, I think, the one that would suit me best. But again, I would recommend this. I think it will be really useful, and if you're like me and you kind of struggle in this area of communicating with parents, this could really be good for you.